Torus Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this review, we'll dive straight into the Torus Crypto Wallet, a web-based wallet designed for ease of use, especially for those who prioritize convenience without sacrificing security. Torus is not your typical wallet. It seamlessly integrates with your existing social logins like Google, Facebook, and Twitter, allowing you to create and access your wallet without the need for a complex seed phrase. This feature makes it incredibly user-friendly for beginners who may find traditional crypto wallets intimidating. One of the standout features of Torus is its decentralized key management system. Unlike other wallets that store your private keys on a single device or platform, Torus splits your key into multiple parts and distributes them across a network. This ensures that no single entity, including Torus itself, has access to your full private key, significantly reducing the risk of hacks or loss. This innovative approach is ideal for users who want a balance of security and accessibility. Torus supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and various ERC20 tokens, making it versatile for those involved in DeFi or other blockchain activities. The wallet also integrates with popular dApps, enabling you to interact with decentralized applications directly from the wallet interface. This makes it a great choice for users who are actively engaging in the DeFi ecosystem or exploring Web3. In terms of usability, Torus is incredibly intuitive. The user interface is clean, straightforward, and easy to navigate, making it accessible even for those new to crypto. The wallet is also non-custodial, meaning you retain full control over your funds at all times. However, it's important to note that while the use of social logins is convenient, it does add a layer of dependency on third-party services. If you lose access to your social account, recovering your wallet could become a complex process. In summary, the Torus Crypto Wallet is an excellent option for users who value convenience and security, particularly those who are new to the crypto space. Its innovative key management system and social login feature make it a unique player in the market. However, for those who prioritize absolute control and minimal reliance on third parties, a traditional wallet might be more appropriate. Make sure to weigh these considerations carefully before making Torus your go-to crypto wallet.